Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A55. Its announced date is 11th March 2024 and its release date is 15th March 2024 and its body weight is 213 grams and its back front is Gorilla Glass and front glass is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and it has aluminium frame and its display type is Super AMOLED, refresh rate is 120 Hz and its display size is 6.6 inches and its display resolution is 1080 into 2340 pixels and its protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and its operating system Android 14, processor is Exynos 1480. Its CPU is octa-core. GPU is X-Clips 530. Its front camera is 32 megapixel, back camera is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and it has internal storage 128 GB and 256 GB. RAM is 8 GB and 12 GB. Its battery capacity is 5000 mAh and it has 25 watt wire charger and colors are ice blue, lilac, navy and lemon. Its prices are $404, €399 and its Indian rupee is 36,799 rupees. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.